With our first collection created, we can continue to complete the others. Before we do, I just noticed that the first image here was placed here by error. The keyword Miami should not be on this image, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it from the keywords panel. And once I've deleted the keyword, I'm also going to remove it from this collection. So I'm going to right click on the image and click on Remove from Target Collection. If you have this image here as well, please go ahead and remove it. There should only be 10 images in this collection. Now go back to all photographs. And this time we're going to set LA as our target collection. So right click on LA and go to Set as Target Collection. This time we're going to filter our images a different way using the library filter. Last time you might recall we used the keyword list. So click on the text item in the library filter, and in the search menu select Keywords, Contains All, so it's going to look for every keyword we enter into this text input. And you're going to type in vacation, LA. So these are all the images that have this exact keyword set, vacation and LA. Highlight them all, so click on the first one, hold Shift and click on the last one, and press the B key on your keyboard. And right away it adds it to our new target collection. Now set New York as your target collection, and all we need to do this time is change LA to NY, and we get all our New York pictures. So hold the Shift key, click on the last image, and press the B key, and it goes into our New York target collection. Do the same for Washington. Now I've accidentally clicked on Washington, which I didn't intend to do. So I'm going to go back to all photographs. I'm going to go back to my text filter, and we can carry on where we left off. So right click on WA, Set as Target Collection, and type in WA. So we have 10 images. Hold Shift, click on the last one, and click the B key on your keyboard to populate the Washington target collection.